Hi, I'm Paula Kinney, your favorite kitchen designer, but I'm on a different task today. I'm with my daughter, Cassidy Kinney, and
Hello,
we
everyone.
are starting an 8-week summer mini-series called Love Your Dorm, and we're going to come to you with some of the tips, tricks, and storage ideas we have encountered as we have began to plan her dorm space. So it's so exciting. Cassie will be attending University of Kentucky in the fall, majoring in interior design. So I think with her major comes a little bit of added pressure for what your room should look like.
Yeah.
Do you feel like
For sure.
it needs to
My
be
room has to be top notch. No one can top it.
So we have basically it's done in terms of all the planning and design. So we have things we have to get, but we'll share some of our tips and tricks with you along the way. Moving into your dorm, I think, is pretty much like their first apartment, right? Would
Yeah.
you say it's like an apartment? So it's really taking everything you have in your home. You have this big expansive space in your home, and now you're cramming it into a small space. So you have to be pretty creative and tricky to come up with ways to store all of your stuff. So some of the things we have looked for are pretty unique, and we found, and we want to share those with you. And what would you say are like top 3 things that you think of that are you're most concerned about when it comes to your dorm space?
One, my closet space and how I'm gonna organize my room and put like it could be clothes or like books and all that stuff. Like I'd prefer to have like a space for everything to go instead of just like tossing it everywhere.
Yeah, so your room can be neat. I always tell you don't want to be the messy roommate.
I know. Okay, number 2 would be to have a comfortable chair to work at your desk, because I usually work in my bed, but I don't want to do that in college anymore. So I'd rather have to be comfortable at my desk.
So you don't want the chair that they give you.
No. No.
So we have to find somewhere to put that. Okay,
Yeah.
And what would be the third thing that's
And
the
then
concern?
the third thing would be I care about my curtains because I take a lot of naps. So I don't want a whole bunch of sunlight in my room, and I can't go to sleep.
So you'll need
So I'd rather
blackout
have-
draperies to
Yeah.
put over your windows, and we do have some ideas for. Because typically it's probably blinds in most dorms, so we have some ideas on how you can hang curtains without ruining the walls and getting a fee when it's time to leave.
Right.
So we definitely don't want that. Parents pay enough; they don't need additional fees because you decided to have curtains. So the other thing we talked about, one of the major things are music in the space. That's one of the
Having
things.
a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth
Major
speaker
key.
is very important. I know for us, we listen to a lot of music in our house. Music's everywhere. When we get ready to go in the car, it's an argument about whose music we're going to listen to. So it's like, and then sometimes they don't want to ride with me because they don't want to listen to my music or my podcast. So it's a big deal.
Yeah.
So Bluetooth speakers are essential. Cassidy, one of our favorites, and my favorite in my house is this, my Bose speaker. I kind of take it with me, like take it to my office space, take it all around the house. So it's one of my favorites. It's small, but it's mighty. I don't know how mighty you need to be in the dorm because you don't want to disturb everyone else, but this is a good choice. Now this is my absolute favorite. I brought this for my son a year or two ago, and I got it from Sam's Club, but actually it'll be on my website, loveyournest.co.
And it has like charging slots.
Yes, so that's the really great thing about this. So
That's like 7 or 5.
it plugs in, and then you get 2 outlets on the back. You also get additional USBs all around it, and then this part comes out, and you can take it with you. Maybe if you're going to shower, you're going to, another part of your room, or maybe down the study, or whatever. So it has a charging port, and it's really inexpensive. It's only like $35, and it really kicks. It's pretty good sound for what you need.
Good.
Like I said, you don't need to blow the whole dorm up with your music, but this one is small and mighty, and it's like $35. It will be on my website. You can link to it and buy it. It also makes a great gift. I think it'll be a great graduation gift. I think that might be my gift for everyone. That's what I'm doing. I mean, for all the parties I have to go to.
I guess so. That's a good.
I got the gift.
It's
So,
a decent
if
one.
I'm coming to your party, this is going to be your gift. Just so you know. So those are some of the things we're going to talk about. We'll be weekly coming to you, depending on her work schedule.
Yep.
And we'll post before we're going to Facebook Live and anything else I was thinking of. Anything
No.
else so that's it for us. Love Your Dorm, and you can visit loveyournest.co to link to some great options for Bluetooth speakers. And we will see you next week.